Let's make two most simple and easy ice cream sticks wall decor item. First of all, take 6 ice cream sticks and arrange them as shown in the video. Then place the sticks as shown. Stick all of them together. Take a glass bottle, fill with some soil and plant and stick at the center. Stick an ice cream stick at the base. Then stick a thread to hang it. It's ready. It looks beautiful. It's quite easy. If you like it, then tell me in comments. Now, make our second easy and simple ice cream stick wall decor craft. For this, take 4 ice cream sticks and arrange in square shape. Then stick them together. Then stick an ice cream stick at the base to place glass bottle. Then stick a thread. Place the glass bottle at the base and add some flowers in it. It's ready, quite easy. Both of them are ready. If you like my video, then do like and comment. And also subscribe my channel for more videos.